Welcome to episode 7 of our roofing components playlist, where we do a deep dive into all the major components of your roof system. Today we're going to be talking about a major part of your roof, and that's flashing. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the roofing channel. Let's get into it. What is roof flashing? Roof flashing is the metal that we use anytime the roof butts into a vertical surface like a wall or a chimney or a skylight, something like that. Now, flashing, as important as it is to your roof system, whenever you get your roof changed, you want to make sure and change that flashing as well. What are the types of roof flashing? There are 3 types of flashing that we use. There's step flashing, counter flashing, and apron flashing. Step flashing is when the shingles butt into, say, a wall or a chimney, and every single shingle gets a piece of flashing under it, creating a step pattern in the flashing. And then if it's against a brick wall, then we use counter flashing. Counter flashing is sawn into the mortar joints and comes down over the top of the step flashing, basically countering it. That's why they call it counter flashing. Sometimes you'll see counter flashing going up a brick wall, and it'll be in a step pattern. That's just an installation method. You can install counter flashing either in a step pattern, or you can run a straight piece. Either is fine. If you're going to use a straight piece, you're going to have to use a stiffer metal so it doesn't oil can on you. The last type of flashing is the apron flashing, and that's where the shingles butt into a wall this way, and you have to have a piece of metal that comes down over that last shingle. What materials are used for roof flashing? The types of metal that we would use for flashing is pre-finished aluminum, pre-finished steel, or copper. You want to use the same type of metal pretty much on all the components. So if you have copper gutters and you're using copper anywhere else on the roof, then most definitely you want to use copper flashing. And if you have a cedar shake or a slate or one of those extended period roof systems, you definitely want to go with copper on that. How much does roof flashing cost? Out of the 3 types of materials that we use for flashing, pre-finished aluminum is definitely going to be the cheapest of all. Pre-finished aluminum flashing is going to run somewhere between $3 and $5 a linear foot. Pre-finished steel is going to run $7 or $8 a linear foot, and copper is going to run around $10 to $12 a linear foot, and a lot of that depends on how big the flashing actually is and how much metal we use for that flashing. Now you know what you need to know about roof flashing. If you want to continue your education, click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch our next video in the series on roofing materials. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks again for watching the roofing channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get the education they need to make an informed purchasing decision. We'll see you on the next one.